is Tom Lean from Lean Design, and today I'm going to be your guide to loading actions in Photoshop and playing them on your images. So I am going to be working in Photoshop CC 2020, but it works in just about any Photoshop in the past decade. So first of all, you're going to want to find yourself an action. Go online and Google Photoshop actions. There's plenty of free ones, there's also paid ones, but look around and find yourself one that you think works for the image that you're working with. I've already done that. I've downloaded this glorydays.atn, and that's what we're gonna use. So take that from the desktop, put it in your Photoshop presets actions folder. You're probably gonna have to enter your password. That in. Then go into Photoshop. I've already got this model open, so that's the picture we're going to use. Go to Window, Actions, and now we're going to load that action that we just dropped in the folder. So go here, go to Load Actions, and then I've already got that folder that we just dropped it into. So we're going to go in here and we're going to find Glory Days, which we just dropped in. Open. And there it is, it loaded into your actions window. So now to play this, we're just gonna simply open this folder, click on that first one, and then press play. And there you go, a very subtle but very cool action that you can use on just about any picture. This one was loaded from loadedlandscapes.com. I'm gonna put a link to this action underneath, so you can grab that. Thank you for joining me, and that's it on how to load and play actions. Have a great day.